Hi, so what I got here is a glasses nose pad replacement kit, and they cost about $8 on Amazon, and it comes complete with a bunch of nose guards here. So what I'm going to show you is my old pair. So you see my old pair, the nose pads are all yellowy, from all the facial oils that really tarnish it. So I'm going to be replacing these, and how it's going to look is basically, nice and clear like this. So just, putting these side by side, you could see just how bad they are. But let me go through the kit and what it comes with. So oftentimes it'll come with various nose pads. So let me place all of these out in front. And what you'll see is, there's various different designs. So they come in about 5 pairs each, 5 to 6 pairs each, and I'll give you a link in the description and comment area. But you could see here that they're different types and also different sizes, and it comes with, basically plenty of screws also, as well as these different tools here. So what you'll see is the tweezers, and then the screwdrivers, yet another screwdriver, a non-static wipe, as well as this mini screwdriver here. So this particular thing, if I just open it up, it'll have this here. So let me just put this aside and just show you, step by step how this works. So after I remove the screws here, I'm just going to reuse these screws because they're native to the glasses themselves. So, just zooming in here, you could see there's a screw there in the center there, right there, and another one there. I'm going to reuse those, and those really thread through over to the other side. So they have plenty of standard screws here. If you want to switch them, I don't want to switch them. I just want to use the native ones. And after I take these screws out, what I'm going to have to do is actually basically wash the glasses with a toothbrush. So you can see here, just easily, taking the screws out. Just twisting it like any other screwdriver. So I'm just going to use this long one so you could see the process here. Not a big deal, just screwing out the screw. And screwing this out. And then using these tweezers to just take out the screw. So the screw is pretty darn dirty. Right there, put it in focus. Gonna put this down here. Take this nose thing. So there's a lot of grime in there, so I'm just gonna put it in the sink, use a toothbrush, and clean this off first before I put in a new one. So let me just put this aside. And now doing the other side here with this. Make sure I'm not blocking the camera. So this is a lot harder for me to do because I am trying to film this, which makes it a ton more difficult. So I'm just taking out the screw here. And again, putting it aside, reusing those. I'm going to clean those and reuse those. And this particular one, nasty. You don't have to see that. Alright, now I'm going to go into the sink and wash this, and also have a napkin to wipe that down. So I just washed this with soap, And I just used a small toothbrush and I basically brushed it inside just to get some of the grime out. And now I'm going to choose the new nose pad. So I already know that, I'm going to choose this particular one with these in here, so you can see the different types. And I'm simply going to choose these here. And I'll have a link in the description area where you could get these. But just to show you. So these have, some different design in the middle. Now, one thing this kit doesn't come with is it doesn't come with like pliers for adjusting the nose adjustment here. So you might want to look for one of those that actually has the tweezers, or even to actually adjust these. Yeah, I mean these. This is just the tweezer. I mean pliers, like eyeglass nose pliers, that will actually do the adjusting. So just show you here. Just these have to be angled right, so you could see how you don't want to flip them the wrong way. Have the ones at the bottom like so, and then you simply replace the screw. So you can see there's already a big difference between these and these really yellowy ones, like so. So this is where the tweezers become fairly necessary. So I'm going to pick up the screws with these tweezers, and you could see just how small it is, and I could put it in. Now it is, once again, it's kind of tricky for me because I'm trying to do this while filming, and when you do that's just a weird, very tricky. So when I angle this and try to show you how it's done, so I'm putting the screw right in, and then just putting it in place there. Now just using the Phillips and slowly screwing it in. And if I flip this over, you can see the screw is on the other side here, like it sticks out on the other side. So I don't have to tighten it. It's not a matter of tightening it, it's just to make sure that it's on the other, comes out on the other end. You can see it comes out on the other end. And then I just rinse and repeat and do the same for the other side. And that really just completes the process here. And you can see the difference. Once again, the difference here. Just going around. One thing about the kit, so let me just go through this again, because with the kit, maybe you do want to get ones with the nose pliers to adjust the nose, to make those nose adjustments if necessary. But this has the tweezers, 3 different types of nose pads, the screws themselves. This is plenty. This is a crazy amount of screws. 1 Phillip head, 1 flat head, and one keychain portable Phillips head, and a case. So this case is actually very nice and compact. So let me go about putting all of this stuff back on one side here, taking this out a little bit and showing you when it closes up. So this is very compact, closes up like so, very handy. But that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.